Today I'm reviewing this protective iPad case. I've been using it for over a year, every day, and it has held up. It is doing great. So putting my iPad in it is simple, easier if you're not doing it on camera. And then you have a spot for your pencil, your pen, whatever you want to call it, and it stays closed, well, somewhat. And there's, a spot for the camera, of course. And then when you have it open, there's the back, there's the front, and you just use it like you normally would an iPad. You can, so I have a pencil here, just put that in here and it stays put. And then there's a little area here where you can kind of push that to get the pencil out easier. So I highly recommend this. Like I said, I've been using it for at least a year, every day, everywhere I go, pretty much, and it's held up beautifully.